rest and recreation. Rest and recreation. Pero may konting work to. So yung mga... See you in Thailand! Hi guys, welcome back to Bangkok. So, Bangkok. We're done with our day 1 planning and meeting earlier. And yes, hello si Drew. So ngayon, nag-freshen up lang kami kasi sobrang init dito sa Thailand, sa Bangkok. And medyo free time namin. So, maglilibot-libot muna kami using their public transportation. So, hindi kami magka-grab ngayon. Mag-train kami today. Try namin mag-train going to BTS Siam. And then later, we'll meet with the bosses and with the team. Sabay-sabay kami mag-dinner. So, join me as I explore Thailand for the second time. Guys, to the vlog, guys!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would...
Makabilis ng escalator dito, talaga naman. BTS Siam. Say hi, CJ! Ganda. Tama ko diba dito? So we are in Siam Center. Siam. Siam. Kasi Siam yung mall dito. Magkakatabi. Parang hindi ito yung hinahanap natin. Nasaan na ba yun? Ito na. So, laan nyo kung nasa Siam. Ang kitang pearl mo. La dumpling. AP. Para po sa mga magpapasabay, kontakin nyo lang po si AP Live.
Hello mga B. Ito po ay mura lang. Pwede nyo pong lagyan ito ng inyong mga
Nag-live sila po.
Grabe.
Natin. So we're here in Jod Fair, tama ba? So parang siyang mix of night market at the same time. Inuman ba yun? Tawag dun? Ay, ang ganda nito. Parang gusto kong bilhin yung kapatid ko nito. Food, ayan. So dito kami magdi-dinner. Seafood dinner for today. And magtitingin-tingin lang kami muna ni CJ ng mga dress or kung ano mga magustuhan namin. It's our second day in Bangkok. Downstairs to grab some coffee and to eat. To eat. Kakain kami sa Paris. Mamaya makikita nyo na sa Paris kami. To eat nyo yan. Hindi pala siya Paris. Diyan kayo pupunta. Kapit kami. Pero paano tayo tatawid? We're here! Of course, this trip will not be complete without mango sticker ride. Good morning! So it's our day 3. We're checking out from Chill In Bangkok to head para pumunta sa ano, tatagalogin ko na lang. Ayan, so pupunta kami sa, saan tayo pupunta, Miss Dessa?
Pattaya.
Pupunta kami sa Pattaya Resort, tama ba? Yun yung name. So pupunta kami ngayon ng Pattaya Resort and doon kami mag-R&R, Rest and Recreation ng management together with the admin for 3 days and 2 nights. And after nun, babalik na kami ng Pilipinas. Kasi I miss the Japan. Hi guys! So nandito kami ngayon sa Balay Dako Island Edition. CJ, nasa tayo ngayon? Hindi ko na-play yung video kanina. Ang ganda pa naman ng joke ni CJ. Very humorous ka. Kaya hindi niya na maulit. May expiry date kasi yung pagiging humorous niya. Pagiging humorous. Anyway, so nandito kami ngayon to have our lunch. Naantay lang din namin yung mga kasamahan namin from 2 other vans. And then, after this, diretso na kami sa resort. See you there! Orange juice. CJ, what are you doing? Aww. Thank you, CJ. Inulam mo ako. So we just came from a nap and we're going to the beach. Let's go, CJ. Let's go to the beach. So we're preparing for the dinner. The theme for tonight's dinner is white party. So mamaya para kami mga nakalutang sa beach. So magdi-dinner kami by the beach and we're just preparing. So it's currently 7 p.m. So the dinner is at 8 p.m. And see you for dinner.
You made me blush.
So this is the look, but not the final look.
Huh?
Normal and not normal.
This is the normal look kasi, well, they just announced na sa dinner, normal clothes lang daw pala muna kami. And then mamaya pala daw magwa-white party sa after party. Chelly, tawa. Well, anyway, this is the look, but not the final look. But I'm so pretty, right? See you. So this is the final look. Kanya ko ginagawa niya. Babae tayo for today's video. Say hi. Say hi. Grabe ka naman. The photo shoot. That's why we're all wearing white. What? We just came back from Banana Boat. At ngayon kami na ang Master of Banana Boat. Super fun. 2 beses kami umulit. Kami yung first batch. And then, syempre doon lagi kami nalalaglag. Pero nung umulit kami, 3rd batch. Ayun, hindi na kami nalalaglag. Super fun. Ang saya. Doon nakakapagod siya pero masaya.
We only grew to February.
Hi! So, pauwi na kami sa Bangkok. Sa Bangkok pa rin naman yata kami.
Hindi na to ba?
Hindi na pala Bangkok. Pauwi na kami sa Bangkok. And then, last day namin today here in Thailand. Later, mag-ano kami, magpa-platinum. Mimili kami doon. Sana maraming maganda. And then, after flight namin, kami kasi malapit na magsara yung mall, Platinum Mall. Ay, pala mag-i-start. Oh, may mabibili. Kaya kami, abangan. Ito. Gusto ko rin ito. Gusto ko rin yun. So, success pa rin naman pinabili kami. 60 baht na lang pinabili. Sana maging masaya lang kami sa mabili namin kasi hindi namin sinukat. Okay lang yun. Yay! So we're going home to the Philippines. We had so much fun for this week's trip. And ano masasabi mo, Medina, sa trip na to?
Awesomeness.
Ayun lang. Thank you so much, Fun Pro. Thank you for watching. See you in the Philippines.